How to buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So when you open up your Phantom Wallet and click on this option of buy, you won't be able to find any meme coins over here. Suppose I wanted to purchase bonk, and if I try to write bonk over here, it would not show any bonk to me. So if you want to purchase bonk or any other Solana meme coin using Phantom Wallet, then you would need to open up any decentralized exchange, and the good ones are Jupiter, Radium or Meteora. There are different decentralized exchanges. Most of the meme coins are listed on Radium, so you can purchase from this platform or Jupiter. So how do we check on what platform we would be able to find the Solana meme coin? So suppose there are different meme coins like Fonk, Harambe, Any Inu, Sulama, or Dog with Retard or Solimander. So how do we find the exact place to purchase them? We would just check it out using bonk. For this, just simply search for CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap on your browser and open it up. Then search for bonk and scroll down. Here you would be able to see the bonk markets, and here you can check out different decentralized exchanges. You can check out the list of decentralized exchanges over here. The DEX is the short form of decentralized exchange, and SEX is the short form of centralized exchange. And you can just simply find out that it is listed on Meteora and also Radium and Jupiter. So we can just simply go on to these decentralized exchanges and then purchase it using our Phantom Wallet. Simply connect your Phantom Wallet, then select the coin that you want to use. Suppose I wanted to convert my Solana to bonk. I will just simply select bonk over here. But in case of meme coins, make sure that you always check their contract address, because there are so many fake meme coins over there. So suppose let me type bonk, and it has PB263 at the end of its contact. We will just simply open up CoinGecko, and in the contacts we will just simply check out the contact address is similar or not. This way we will be able to check out the authenticity of that particular meme coin. Simply select this one since it is the authentic one or the right one, and after that you can convert your Solana to bonk, or in this way you can purchase any other Solana meme coin as well. And in the similar way you can also purchase the meme coins on Radium by connecting your Phantom Wallet, then using your Solana or USDC or USDT or any other crypto to convert that into any of the meme coin. Suppose we wanted to purchase bonk over here as well. We will just simply type bonk, and the contact address has PB263 just like the earlier one. So simply select this one, and now you can convert it. And this is how you will be able to purchase all the Solana meme coins using Phantom Wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.